I was starting off with a little bit something different today. We're gonna do a full POV session. Where is it? I'm gonna get my clamps on there. We had to remake the pipe down here because it was angled a little bit nasty from the first setup. So that was one of the last things that we didn't touch. So that whole bottom pipe's redone. I needed this clamp that I had to pick up the other day so we can get that fitting on there good. I thought it'd be kind of fun to show you guys everything from my point of view too. A little bit different. Which one am I gonna do? So yeah, this is a Vibrant 2 1/4, 2793. So this should be suffice. Let's see what I gotta do now. Where's that fucking shit? Where'd I put the socket? It's really kind of missing right now. Did I put it in the car? Is it in the car? Oh wow. It's in my pocket. I don't remember putting it in my pocket, but whatever. It was in the pocket. Cool. Stay right there. I feel like that's gonna be a little too high. Let me pull this down a little bit. Hopefully that's good. I don't know. Can't see shit. All right. This is my little handy dandy tool that I take around with me just in case some of these couplers get loose. I'd be able to tighten. You to keep one of these in the center console. Oh yeah, I love it when it does that. Now you want to stay in there real good, don't you, you fucker? Okay. Yeah, I bought two Mishimotos. I didn't know when these were gonna come in, and I went over to Danny's to get this for the weekend. This actually, oh, sick. This actually came in today, and the Vibrant clamps seem to be a much higher quality. Vibrant's dope. This is, it's not even, look at that. It's not even round. Alright, I had to loosen it up from the manifold side. And this guy here, so we're gonna do it from the middle, and I'll tighten the bottom, then we'll tighten the top. Makes it the easiest for me. It's a tight fit down there. Wow, that's a lot of funny words, huh? Alright, that's on there. Should be good. Let's go bang some gears and find out. I'm gonna go get gas in this guy. I'm gonna go to the cheap E85 station right now because they're doing a special. It sounds kind of funny. I guess they're promoting for the month of January, so it's like $1.99. So I'll go fill up those 2 jugs, fill up the car, test this guy out. Should be okay, hopefully. Cross your fingers. I just have to get this front bumper back on, and then we can hit the road. Get some gas if this wants to get on there. Alright, let's see here. I'm wearing the strap on. I don't care anymore. We're gonna get some good content. Let me pull this thing out, start it up, go get some gas. I was charging it in the car right now, so that's where my pause was, but you don't know that. Oh shit. I get the bumper. I need more zip ties for my bumper too. Fuck. You better not fucking play around on the freeway, buddy. Better not. Why'd you do that? Shit. Alright. Let's get some oil in this fucking thing. Why is it empty right there? Lazy. Lazy, son. Let's do this. Let's see here. Full start. That is not a bad idle for a cold start with 2000 cc injectors. Not bad at all, Sean. too. There's a bunch of traffic, so obviously I couldn't do what I needed to do. Nothing too crazy, just kind of going along with the video, going along with the flow, going to get gas finally, and we'll see what happens. Test to make sure this coupler is staying tight finally. I just saw a pretty cool looking Evo in Vista. If you watch, you know, like a Fiesta ST or something. They were both done up. I don't think they knew each other. I guess people are getting prepped possibly for that garage car meet show thing that's going on tomorrow in the afternoon. The Evo is pretty cool. Fiesta is pretty cool too. Sounded pretty gnarly. Got some pops. But yeah, $199. So I got 5 gallons in the back seat and full tank. So now we can hit the road and see what's going on here. I'm pretty sure the coupler is good though.